Howdy everyone, y'all be Voltage, and I'm gonna play some more Battle Cats today. It's actually currently the 18th for now. It's 7:51 in the morning. Don't ask why I'm up this early, considering I had a rough night last night and woke up fell asleep at around midnight. Ooh, a cat ticket, okay. What else am I getting? Another cat ticket from the Lunar Year event, and a legendary stamp. I mean legendary charm. Not bad. I have 5 cat tickets in Milestone now. The event area is unlocked. Which one's this? Yeah, Game of Toto is quickly chilling on getting more getting more levels. One sec, I'm gonna get this item here because I want to see what item it is. I'm gonna do that off camera. I was being nice, so you guys didn't have to see an ad. You're welcome. What's the event going on then currently? It's the XP one, XP Harvest. Why not? I'll join in. It might be good for me. You know what? Why not? I've got 35k. Ooh, Cadman B, not bad, honestly. And level up, wow. What missions did I get? What do you mean? Oh, more Lunar New Year missions, cool. 15,000 XP, not the worst. Honestly, not the best either. But I'll take it. Open these 3 tickets right now. I mean, these 3 charms. I did some more of the event stages last night, got some charms out of it. 10,000 XP is the best thing I got. Meh. I'll open these and then I'll see what else I can get, I guess. I might be letting, I might get some good from it. Those are actually working towards another rare ticket. I did open 10 more tickets in the past. As you can see, I'm gonna turn these into tickets. Ooh, another rare ticket. I want to use you, yes. Because you're cool on my book, homie. I'll also use basic cat. The rest of them probably gonna turn to XP because I don't really care about any of them. Don't use cow enough to worry about them. Exchange for XP, yes. The main point of the video is because I want to do some events, but also the Dark Heroes is going on, and things are getting much harder into the future. I mean, Cats of the Cosmos, even if more a little bit overpowered. I want to get this cat here that I have my finger on, Warlock and Pierre, if possible. I've seen people use them quite often, and they usually are pretty strong to use. In particular, I've seen Captain Sauce use the head of them. Infernal attacks deliver massive damage to aliens and floating. Nightmares don't scare the little sorcerer. His best friend is one. Huge damage to aliens and angel, big money from each enemy defeated. Collecting wicked souls is their business, and business is good. I'm not gonna spend cat food because there's a guaranteed event coming up for a guaranteed Uber. So I'm gonna wait for that, I think. So I'm just gonna use probably 5 or 6 tickets. Since I have 6 of them. Okay, then that's just a bad start. Let's just ignore Gardner because he's not really one. Well, he actually is useful because he's anti-zombie, and he's one of my big bosses. No, this is useless for me in particular. That's also fucking useless. Come on, give me something like Solana, something like that, or an Uber. That's Maximum the Fighter. I guess that's okay. Maximum the Fighter works for me sometimes. Who are you? That's Dr. Heaven. I actually remember seeing. I think I remember seeing another YouTuber get this thing before for an event because they got this thing particularly for an event to help them defeat what's its face to help him defeat NASA into the future. Huh. Hello there, Dr. Heaven. I'm gonna look into this guy right now because that's honestly very interesting. The heck do you do? This is my 6th legend rare. A fearsome scientist obsessed with using extra-dimensional powers to instantly sublimate matter. Tough versus blackened aliens with area attacks. What? Renowned temporal researcher who has harnessed arcane crystal powers that apply with mundane matter. Area attacks deals massive damage to blackened aliens. What? That doesn't seem honestly really good. That seems pretty weak. Professor Abyss. Holy hell! That name is badass, honestly. I've seen this unit in battle before, though. 5-year-old cat fruits. Okay, that's not bad, honestly. I think I'm gonna say my last rare ticket I have. Because some are becoming the best of the best in a few days as well, and I think there's some event exclusive ones that I might be able to get with my cat food and also my ticket. Legendary is what I wanted to check. There we go. Whoa, you are big. What's your attack look like, dude? What are you doing? Oh! Oh! Huh. Stop bullying that poor cat in the machine, dude. Oh, your knockback animation looks kind of pathetic. Huh, that's honestly not bad. I want to see what this guy does. I'll literally also do some festive event ones then, I guess. I'll take out, I guess, probably these two, and then I'll put in Professor Abyss. He'll probably have times where he can shine and do some stuff. Oh, he is expensive. Huh. Why did he cost more than my mother? Why'd I say that? Don't take what I say out of context, damn it. Or I'll hunt you down. And then slap you 80 times. And don't try getting in contact with my mother. That's a lot of fireworks. Dancing in my face, being like, you can't kill all of us, but can. We'll find that I got an army coming your way, punks. I don't think I'm gonna be able to leave Professor Abyss this fight. And I've got to sneeze. Excuse me. Jeez. I'm allergic to you guys. I blame you guys. I'm allergic to you. Wait. Power of darkness. Isn't this black? Yeah. That's an assassin bear. Where's Kazuchizo? I think I got another sneeze coming, but I'm not sure now, honestly. I'll take Pizza Cat. Where the heck is Kazuchizo? In my big units right here. Ah, here we go. Let's do this big guy. I'll also summon you for the next fight. Because you'll be very, 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 very useful. That guy's honestly very broken. I've come to appreciate the heck out of obtaining that unit. I did Jizzle. That's a lot of black dogs. Ooh. Oh, you're slower than a grandma. I need to stop making comments like that on my channel. People take them out of context really easily. Stay out of my comments with stupid stuff. Oh, right, you don't comment ever. Professor Abyss, Lord of Nightmares. Oh, those are black rockets. And they didn't do. Probably because you're not in your kind of trait battle, dude. Hey, it looks cool. I get another rare ticket. That'll be cool to use in a few days. I'll attack this. I'll attack Western Wastes now. I don't know what's here, but if it's anything like the last stage, it will be Neondum. Hi, Neondum. Time to die. Grandpa, Granny. That's a lot of bunnies. That's a bit excessive on the bunny spam game. Jesus. I love the dude's massive damage against these stuff. Yeah, big guy, you're not killing Can with that one hit. This thing's just spamming red. Ching! There goes Neondum. Peace out, Neondum. Don't come back. My beast machine's kicking your guys' butts. This machine of the collaboration of Evangelion is broken. I did not think Evangelion would do me win the game. I'll probably do one stage of this, but I need my anti-red logo for that then. So unfortunately, that's all you'll see of Professor Abyss today. Dude is cool. I'll give him that. He is a cool unit. I like him a lot. And I will be using him more often. You will see him again, unlike Guy. And also things like Babel Guy, they disappeared. They might not be lucky enough to reappear again for a while. Because they are super specific on which area they're coming. Honestly, I think Luminala and Momoko appeared more than they have. Congrats from Momoko and Luminala, I guess. What was the boss? Oh, you're just spamming fireworks, huh? Cute strategy. It's annoying. Doesn't mean much if I spam the ever-living crap out of these things, though. Yeah, because Courier has a pretty good area attack strike. How did I not beat this stage in the past? This hasn't even been hard at all, honestly. Oh. They are actually pushing a bit. Oh, never mind. Now that was how was that the final stage? Long road home? Only got a single ticket from that? What? I thought there'd be a boost in the chance. Likely, guaranteed chance for that kind of stage is guaranteed chance? Cool. Guess I know what stage I'm farming. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Bye-bye.